Hello guys, I am Jasmeet and welcome to Blogging Unplugged Clips. On this channel, you will find bite-sized videos from our main channel, Blogging Unplugged. If you are not into those hour-long videos, then this channel is for you. And if you find the content helpful, then make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell. And with that said, let's dive into the video. The first few changes have been introduced to the list view, and to showcase you that what I have done is I've created two posts in each WordPress 6.0 beta and in WordPress 5.9.3. So what I'm gonna do is right now, let me just open those posts and then I'll walk you through those changes. Now in the list view, the first change or improvement that you will see in WordPress 6.0 is that the nested blocks, the groups and the parent blocks are collapsed by default. Now if you have been using WordPress and using the list view, then you must be familiar with the fact that when you click list view, all of the blocks are expanded by default. Now if your page is long or includes too many nested blocks or parent blocks, then it can cause a lot of confusion if you are looking to use if you are looking to take the help of the list view to edit those sections. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to take you to WordPress 5.9 first, and I'm going to show you the list view. Now this is the WordPress 5.9 tab, and here is the list view icon, and when I click it, you will see all of the blocks are open or expanded by default. Now if this page is too long, you can imagine how difficult it is going to be for a newcomer to understand what is going on. Okay, now this has changed in WordPress 6.0, or this will change, I would say, in WordPress 6.0. And now all of the blocks are all of these nested blocks are collapsed by default. You can see right over here, when I click group, it shows two other groups. When I click this group, it shows an image. Now this change makes the list view look much cleaner, and you can navigate to your favorite sections using this. Now this makes it look, this makes it much more helpful than before. Now the next change that has been introduced in the list view is the opt-in for the automatic anchor generation for the headings. Now this feature was first introduced in WordPress 5.9, but it was rolled back because of complaints about it causing issues. Now this function has been basically re-released in will be re-released in WordPress 6.0 as an opt-in feature, where you will have to add a code snippet to the functions.php file, and it will automatically generate anchors for the headings that you will add to your page or post. Now in case you are looking for the code snippet, then I will leave a link to the article that contains the code snippet in the description box below. That will be the first link, and you can copy the link from there and basically try out this feature for yourself. Now currently I have this code in the here in the notepad with me. Okay, so what I am going to do right now is I am going to close this tab right over here, and this is the beta tab. So what I am going to do is I'm going to head over to tools, then the theme file editor, and there is the theme functions.php file. I'm going to open this file. There is the file. I'm going to scroll down to the bottom. I'm going to open this code snippet, copy this, copy this, and paste it right over here and update this file. You can see file edited successfully. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to refresh this page. Now I'm going to open this list view, and you will see it automatically generates anchors for all of the headings that you will add on your page, be it h1, h2, h3, whatever is the heading, it will automatically generate anchors for that. Now in case you want to edit these anchors, then what you need to do is you need to first select this block right over here. It will take you to it. Then you will click this, select this block, you are on the block settings. Okay, remember this block settings. Then you will have to go to advanced. You see the HTML anchor for this, and here you will have to type in whatever is that you want to type. Basically change this anchor, and then you are going to save the change or publish, and the change will be reflected right over here. Now remember one thing, this anchor can't be completely deleted. It can only be edited or modified as per your requirements. So keep that in mind before using this feature. Now the last change that has been introduced in the list view is the introduction of a new keyboard shortcut using which you will be able to select multiple blocks in the list view, and that shortcut is Shift Home and Shift End. Now to showcase you this, what I'm going to do is I am going to click this list view icon right over here, and you can see the block is already selected on top. So what I am going to do here is I am going to press Shift and you will notice it will select all the blocks till the very end. You can see it has selected all the blocks. Now let me press Shift Home, and it will just select the top block. This means if you are at the bottom, if you are at the very end, then you can press Shift Home and it will select all the blocks above it. And if you are on top, then you can then you can press Shift End and it will select all the blocks below it. Let me press Shift End again. And now in case you want to modify any of the selections, then what you can do is you can press Shift and then use any of the arrow keys to modify the changes. You can see right over here I am pressing the up arrow, and it is basically deselecting the blocks below it. It's taking the selection on top. Now I'm selecting the, and now I'm clicking the, pressing the below arrow, and it is taking the it is selecting the blocks below it.
Now I hope you have found this video helpful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Also, the links to our socials are in the description box below. Make sure to follow us on other platforms as well. And with that said, I will see you in the next video.